How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home that we have available here at Recreational Resort Cottages, coming in at 399 square feet. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Eagles Landing. The Eagle has landed, and it has made its nest right here at Recreational Resort Cottages with this beautiful tiny home behind me by the name of the Eagle's Landing. If you are in the market for a one-bedroom, one-bath, 399 square foot tiny home with no loft, everything on one level, then this may be the one for you. This home is packed with character with the dimensions of 11 foot wide, 45 feet in length, and that's including the 10-foot side porch, screened in to be exact. So this home is packed with bells and whistles and a lot of character that you can see inside and out. But we'll start right here on the exterior. What we've chosen to do on the Eagles Landing is add the hardy board siding, 30-year warranty, like we do here at Recreational Resort Cottages, but we chose to go with the base of the home in the board and bat pattern, and then we chose to add the bump out with a James Hardy lapped siding pattern here to add just some accent, some character to the outside. We've got the Galvalume metal roof on it, another 30-year warranty, because that's what we do here. And then right down below, you'll see we got the hose bib right here for your exterior water faucet. We've added that. And then you come on around, and what's so great about this home is that we chose to add the color pop with the waves of grain exterior base, and we chose to go with Nantucket white trim. So that is going to give you a lot of character from the exterior. As you can see here, we chose to add a 72-inch sliding glass door right here in the center of the home. What that's doing is giving you multiple entries and exits into your tiny home. We went ahead and added the composite decking right here and covered it with an exterior can light. And what that does is, if you build a nice deck or you build a nice set of steps out front, whenever you're coming inside, you're carrying in some groceries, things like that, you're still covered whether you go through this entry or the other entry that you'll see at the end. If you follow me this way, you can see how we've got plenty of natural light coming in from the windows down low, but then we've added the clear story windows up top. So what that's doing is bringing in that natural light that you can see from the exterior or the interior. And this is the key right here, is this 10-foot exterior porch screen. So follow me inside so I can show you why this may be a feature that you want to add in your tiny home. As you can see today, I'm filming this. It's a cloudy day today. Little rain has come through. But what's so great about it is you wouldn't even notice on your porch. It doesn't matter what the weather is outside. You sit down, take a load off, and you get to experience the beauty of bringing outdoors, indoors with this screened-in porch. Again, this home, as you can see, has pine railing going throughout, painted Nantucket white. We've got the hardy board posts surrounding the home. Also, we've got that screened all the way around and even underneath. If we were to break apart these boards right here, you're going to see screen material under the porch to prevent any critters from coming up from under you as well. So we're keeping everybody out so you can enjoy your peace and tranquility in your new tiny home. We've also added an exterior ceiling fan here. We've got 4 LED can lights here as well. So that is a great option for you. You can see we even kept the board and bat pattern on the interior ceiling of your porch also. And then that decking, like we talked about earlier, is composite decking. That's a 30-year warranty on your decking as well. If you see right here, we've got another 72-inch sliding glass door. We've got vertical windows on each side, and then right below that, we've got exterior outlets. So you can charge your phone, play your boombox. You can hook an electrical cord up to it and wrap around the side of the house if you needed to. You can do all that from the convenience of a 399 square foot tiny home. And if you know me and you watch my videos, or if this is your first time, this is how we do it here. You come on inside of the Eagles Landing, and you'll see here, as soon as we walk inside, close that door behind us, that's when you're coming into the peace and tranquility that I spoke about earlier when you purchase a home from Recreational Resort Cottages. Just because you go tiny, hey, what we're trying to do is make it easier on you. Less things to keep up with, less overhead expenses every month, but you can be right here and have a quality home that you enjoy day in and day out. So starting right here in the living area, you can see that we've got, again, those natural light right here coming in with the windows down below. We've got the clear story up above. We've got, you'll see here, a full-size love seat right here that can fit in your tiny home. So with that, you've got tons of space. We've got the ceiling fan right here centered, bringing in some light for you. We've got the LED can lights on the interior as well. And then right across from that, you'll see that we have the built-in entertainment center. What we've chose to do with that is add you some additional storage down below. You got your TV jack right here with the electrical outlet, so you can go ahead and put your TV right in there if you would like. And then right above, again, more clear story windows. What that's doing is adding that light and also opening up the interior. So those sidewalls are even higher, so it feels even larger than life in this 399 square foot tiny home. And you follow me right this way. And like I showed you earlier, we've got the sliding glass door here, which what that does is when we chose to add that, we've got multiple options here as far as your entries and exits. If you chose not to have that, then that's an option that you can choose as well. You do not have to have this door in here. We just chose to do so because not only does it add another exterior door, but it also, guess what, brings in more natural light for you. So that is an option you can have, and it's also finished out above that you can put some beautiful decorations up there and add more pizzazz and character that you may want to showcase in your tiny home. And then directly centered here, you will see that we've chose to add the island in this model. Normally we put them on wheels. We're showing you something a little different. We've got it on legs. So we've got it on the legs today, so that way you can see. If you want something that's a little bit more in place for you, you want that look of having the legs on it, you can do that. But guess what? It is not stationary. You can move it around if you needed to. It just makes it a little bit more solid on the legs rather than having the wheels that you can roll around at your leisure. Also, you can see that we've chose to add the high definition laminate Lario countertops going throughout this home. So you'll see it's matching the island here to the countertops going throughout your kitchen. And you'll see here, what is that? A dishwasher. I know y'all been asking, Mr. Tiny, I don't like to do dishes and I'm not trying to eat off paper plates, so I need me a dishwasher. So guess what? We put it in there for you. But again, when you're going tiny, it's a domino effect. You add a dishwasher, you lose a lower cabinet. So that's your option, your preference. If you want it, you can get it. And we've chose to add it in here. So this is an 18-inch dishwasher here for you. So it's great and very convenient if you want to add that. And we've chose to accommodate that with a stainless steel farm sink, one basin. So that's a beautiful accent to add into your kitchen. And with that, matched with the Lario countertops, with the Savoy mosaic backsplash, I'm telling you, this Eagles Landing is where it's at. And I want to be wherever that Eagles Landing if it's looking like this. And you can see right here, we've got the Nantucket white cabinets going throughout, the painted white cabinets. In this home, we went ahead and added the soffit up top, finished out in tape and texture. So that's going to be the sheetrock matching the home. So that adds you a little bit more character as well with the can light up above your kitchen sink. So that way you can make sure you're seeing everything nice and clear when you're doing your dishes. And then you've got the full size, smooth top, I should say, stainless steel oven with a stainless steel convection oven right up above that. So you got plenty of options here. And what's so great is about the Eagles Landing, not only do we give you the side porch, not only do we give you the natural light, come on and follow me back and I'll start adding a little bit more flavor to you. So you see right here, we've got the side-by-side refrigerator with the ice in the door. Ice in the door right there for you, additional storage up top, and this is what's lacking in a lot of tiny homes, is additional storage. We've got additional cabinet space here for your goods, and then down below, you want to wonder, think that we're using useless space? Nope. Water heater. We got your water heater in there for you, but guess what? We wanted to make it look cool, we want to make it look, you know, just aesthetically pleasing. So we'll put it right there behind some cabinets. But guess what? That's not all I gave you. I gave you more. So just in case you thought I was doing away with those, nah, let's add 6 more in here for you. So you can see from top to bottom, this is great pantry space in the Eagle's Landing for you. And what's so crazy is I gave you that. What else did you ask for? You asked for a side-by-side washer and dryer in a tiny home. Hey, we got you right here. Side-by-side washer and dryer space in the 399 square foot tiny home. Normally we do the stackables. In this Eagle's Landing, you got room for a side-by-side. So right here, we've got additional storage up above, and then directly across from that, you have your bathroom. You come right in here, and you'll see we kept everything accommodating. We got the pocket door right there separating. We've got the frosted glass window here, another clear story up top, additional storage up above, your toilet right here, and then we've got the Lario countertop, Savoy backsplash in here, and then you see right here, we've got the step-in fiberglass shower. So we've got the indentions right here for your seats, so those are already in place for you. We've got the rain shower head in here as well, so that's an option for you. And then we've got the sliding glass door. So if you want a little bit of privacy, you ain't got to worry about letting everybody see. So you see right there, we got that closed off for you. And then we come on back, and then let's take it back to the most important room in the house, and that's going to be where you're going to lay your head at night. And it's right here in the bedroom. And you'll see here, of course, we're going to bring in some light with the window off the rear of the home. We've got enough space in here that you can easily accommodate a twin, full, queen. You can go to a king, but if you're subscribed like you should be, you know what I call that, a bedroom. That's what's gonna happen if you put a king size mattress up in here. But guess what? Some people are okay with that because when they come to bed, all they'll wanna do is lay that beautiful head. So that is the option that you can do here if you want. And then right here as well, we've got your electrical panel box right here, tucked behind a beautiful wood cabinet door. And it's 100 amp electric service on this particular home. You can go to 50 amp with the pigtail, should you prefer to do so. Then we've got the barn doors right here for you. 4 dresser drawers right here in the center. We've got the Lario countertop here in the middle, additional TV jacks and outlets up there. And you know, you've seen one barn door, you've seen them all, but guess what? You ain't seen nothing like Recreational Resort Cottages. I'm telling you, don't make me do it. And you see right here, we're good. This is real wood for those subscribers that know how to do it here. So those of you acting like that this ain't real, this is the real deal Holyfield when you come to Recreational Resort Cottages with Mr. Tiny. So follow me back this way and we'll see right here, when you come back through, the Eagle's Landing is the one for you. I told you that this particular home has everything that you need. If you're wanting it all on one level, side-by-side washing machine and dryer, side porch, 10-foot screened in, full-size appliances, dishwasher. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you, if you want it done right, then hey, this is where you need to take a look when purchasing your next tiny home. This may be the one for you. I'm telling you guys, this is a great option for you if you're currently in the market. There's plenty of features throughout the home that we showcase, and there's so many more that I didn't get a chance to go over today, but I'm telling you guys, this is where you want to be if you're currently in the market. Like I told you before, this home is 11 foot wide. It's 45 feet in length, and that's including the 10-foot front porch, and it's on sale today. I can't say what it's gonna be tomorrow. I can't say what it's gonna be next week, but today, as you're watching this video, it's $84K, $84,000 for this Eagle's Landing, and it can't be beat for everything that you get. Just the exterior alone, it has 30 years of warranty. Where are they giving you that at? Not in a site-built house. Hey, 30 years, you hope they're still in business. Because, you know, it is what it is. I'm just keeping it real with you. But 30 years, you're covered. And everything I said, look up the products that we use at James Hardie Siding. Do a little Google search. Trex Decking, TREX. Do a little Google search. Do the research on the materials we're using, and you'll see that it is backed by quality that we provide here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And I want to thank you for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Please like the video right now. Run down, hit that like button, smash that like button. That way you can let it be known that you enjoy the videos that I'm showcasing. And also that helps spread the word of the videos that we're showcasing here. So you may not be in the market right now for the Eagle's Landing, but you hitting that like button spreads it to somebody that is and helps our channel grow. Also, go down to the comments, leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite part of the Eagles Landing was. Let me know what you enjoyed about the video. Let me know what you would change about the Eagles Landing. Hey, we're okay with constructive criticism. That's what makes us good at what we do, is that we listen to you, we listen to your feedback, and we make adjustments as we see fit. So go down to that comment section. Let me know what you think about the Eagles Landing I've showcased today. Also, subscribe. If you're subscribed, like you should be, then you are getting these videos every week. And if you want to see them every week, hit that subscribe button if you have not already, so you can become part of the Recreational Resort Cottages family. Next, if you want to get in touch with me, you know what to do. Go over to my Instagram at @TheMrTiny, at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Eagles Landing right off of my Instagram, as well as hundreds of other models that I've showcased on this channel. You do not have to sit behind automated services, automated phone calls. You can contact me directly with a DM, a comment, whatever you wish to do so. You can contact me through Instagram directly at @TheMrTiny. And speaking of that, y'all know what time it is. It's Tiny Home Tuesday. So what does that mean? It's time for a Tiny Home Tuesday shout out. So this week's shout out goes to Bennett Thompson. Bennett Thompson out of Montgomery, Alabama is getting a shout out. His favorite home that we've showcased has been the cardinal weed. He said, Mr. Tiny, I'm telling you right now, I'm going to be seeing you very shortly to purchase one. And I just wanted to take the time out to let you know and also show the support for Recreational Resort Cottages. So, hey, Bennett, I appreciate you watching every week. This is a shout out to you, and thank you so much for the support of the channel. And I look forward to selling you and providing you with the cardinal weed that you see as your future tiny home. And again, to the rest of you guys, if you want to be showcased on a Tiny Home Tuesday shout out, you know what to do. Run over to my Instagram at @TheMrTiny, leave a like, leave a comment on my most recent post saying YouTube brought me here. That's all you got to do. YouTube brought me here, and that is your chance to enter the Tiny Home Tuesday shout out. So guys, that's what you can do, and you can look forward to getting a feature on an upcoming Tiny Home Tuesday. And for the rest of you, I want to thank you for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike Mr. Tiny Timmons. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.